How to play Fortnite with a Nintendo Switch Pro controller on PC. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to play Fortnite with a Nintendo Switch Pro controller on PC. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, connect your Switch Pro controller to your PC via USB. Second, open Steam and go to Games. Now, add a non-Steam game to my library. Now, find the Epic Games launcher on the programs list and select it, and then tap on the Add Selected Programs option. Now open Steam's Big Picture mode and then go to Settings and then on Controller Settings and check the Switch Pro configuration support option if it is not already there. Go back to the main menu now and then go to Library and then on Games and then on Epic Games Launcher. Further, go to Manage Shortcut and tap on the controller configuration option. You will then see the option for Browse Configures. Tap on that and then tap on Templates and then on Gamepad and select it and click Apply Configuration button. Finally, go back and select the Play button. The Epic Games Store should open. Go to your library and open Fortnite using your mouse now. Once Fortnite has loaded, you can play using your Pro controller as it acts like an Xbox controller. So, this is how you can play Fortnite with a Nintendo Switch Pro controller on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.